Welcome back to the Malabari Lens. Today, we're taking a closer look at something every photographer needs, a reliable camera bag. I'll be unboxing the K&F Concept 12-liter camera shoulder bag, a compact and stylish option designed to keep your gear protected and ready for any adventure. Let's see what this bag offers, how it feels in hand, and whether it deserves a spot in your everyday carry. And that wraps up the unboxing of the K&F Concept 12-liter camera shoulder bag. It's compact, practical, and thoughtfully designed, a solid choice for creators on the move. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned to the Malabari Lens for more gear reviews and travel content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.